Hello students, how are you all? I, Trupti teacher, welcome you all for the new grammar session. Our today's grammar topic is related with articles, pronouns and types of adjectives. Students, you all are very well versed with these topics as you have done these in your lower classes. So our today's topic is related to articles, pronouns and types of adjectives. Now read the following sentences. He lost his voice for good. Please put that book in your bag. Many eyes were glued to the television. Every student must carry a dictionary to class next week. Now students, in each sentence there is a noun. Voice, book, bag, television, eyes, student, dictionary, class, right? But in each sentence of the above, it may be observed that a specific word has been used before a noun, right? Now read these sentences. He lost his voice for good. Same sentences, but I have written voice, book, bag, eyes, television, students and dictionary in black. These are the nouns. And I have underlined few words there. His, that, your, the, many, every. Right? These words are adjectives, articles and pronouns. Right? So, the words that are underlined are the determiners. Yes, our next topic is determiners. The words placed before the noun make us clear what noun it refers to. These articles or pronouns or adjectives placed in before the nouns are called as determiners. A very simple topic. Now let's see the types of determiners. Students, I have made a table for you all. We have in the table predeterminers, articles, demonstratives, possessive, ordinals, cardinals or numerals, quantifiers, distributive and interrogatives. In each column there are words related to it. Now predeterminers. All of, half of, both, double, twice, quite, rather, such and what. Articles, we know these articles very well. A and the. Demonstrative, this, these, that and those. Possessive, my, our, your, his, her, its and their. Ordinals, first, second, next, last, third and all. Then cardinals, or it can be also called as numerals. 1, 2, 3, 10, 100, 1000, etc. Now quantifier, which shows the quantity. It can be quantity of adjective. You all have learned this in your lower class. Much, some, no, many, enough, several, lot of, plenty of, little, few, all, both, another. Now again the next one is distributive. This is also the type of adjective. Each, every, either, neither. And the last one is interrogatives. Means questions. What, which, whose and etc. So these are the determiners. You have to just keep in mind the determiners. Now next we are going to learn is predeterminers. Now predeterminers are normally placed before and indefinite article. Then adjective come and then the noun. To express an opinion about the noun, they modify. Such and what are used to express surprise or other emotions. All, half, double, quite, rather, what, etc. Now look at the examples given there. What a lovely day. She is such a beautiful woman. It was quite a nice day. Now, if you observe, the predeterminer is coming before a indefinite article, that is a in the first sentence, followed by an adjective which is lovely there, and noun as day. Right? So, these are the predeterminers. I hope, students, you have understood the determiners. Students, I hope you understood the topic determiners. So determiners are what? The articles, pronouns and the adjectives used in front of the noun or before the noun. Now we are going to do the activity. I will show you the activity. Circle the determiners and underline the nouns which they specify. It's a very simple activity. I have done two for you. I hadn't had much luck of late. I gave him my most appealing smile. Here I have underlined the nouns and you have to circle the determiners. Much is the determiner there and most is the determiner here. So I will send you the worksheet on WhatsApp. You will solve it in this way. If you have any doubt, you can contact me personally. Thank you.